Hello students, this is GK class. We are learning Unit 4, Words and Books. Today we will discuss page number 33. Topic is that from the books. In this topic we have some question in MCQ form and there we will find out the answers. And page number 34, there we have mythical creatures. Page number 33, question number 1. There we have some books name, which one written by an author. 5 point someone, one night at the call center, and the 3 mistakes of my life. These 3 books written by whom? Option A, Shashi Tharoor. Option B, Suketu Mehta. And option C, Chetan Bhagat. So our right answer is option C, Chetan Bhagat, who is the author of these 3 books. Question number 2. Which of these books by Charles Dickens traces the prospectus of a poor young man, Pip, who is educated as a gentleman? These express given in which book? Option A, Oliver Twist. Option B, Great Expectations. Option C, A Tale of Two Cities. Our right answer is option B, Great Expectations. Question number 3. Who is the author of the Twilight series? J.K. Rowling, Stephenie Meyer. So our right answer is option C, Stephenie Meyer is the author of the Twilight series. Question number 4. In which book by Jane Austen do the characters Elizabeth Bennet and the Fitzwilliam Darcy appear? So these characters belonging to option A, Pride and Prejudice, option B, Mansfield Park, and option C, Sense and Sensibility. So our answer is A, Pride and Prejudice is belonging to the characters. Number 5. The animal characters Piglet, Rabbit and Kanga belonging to which book? Option A, Winnie the Pooh. Option B, The Wind in the Willows. Option C, Treasure Island. The answer A is right. Winnie the Pooh were belonging to these animal characters. Number 6. On which book was the film Slumdog Millionaire based? Option A, The Suitable Boy. Option B, Question and Answer. And option C, Maximum City. B option is right, question and answer. Question number 7. Rip and Wrinkle sleep for how many years? Option A, 15 years. B, 10 years. And C, 20 years. So in this character, Rip and Wrinkle sleep for 20 years. Our answer C is right answer. Question number 8. Which play by Shakespeare features the characters Brutus, Cassius and Mark Antony? Option A, Macbeth. Option B, Hamlet. And option C, Julius Caesar. The right answer is Julius Caesar. Question number 9. In this question, we have the series of the Harry Potters that which does not features Voldemort. So we have to find out the series which not belonging to the feature Voldemort. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secret. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. So option A, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban is not the features of Voldemort. Question number 10. Whose diary is the theme of the series? The Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Option A, Greg Heffley. Option B, Raleigh Jefferson. And option C, Robert Heffley. The right answer is option C, Robert Heffley. Our next topic is mythical creatures. There we have some animals' name. Those are not found in reality, but they are often the most terrible enemies or powerful allies in the world's myths and fairy tales. There we will complete the crossword with the names of these mythical characters. We have some clues. By these clues, we will find out the particular character name. Dear students, here you are watching a picture. It's a fabulous bird according to ancient Egyptian legends. It's consumed by fire every 500 years, but it rises again from its own ashes. We can also find stories about it in Greek mythology. This called phoenix. So dear student, this bird name is phoenix. Phoenix. Number 2. This is a beautiful winged horse and the son of Poseidon. It appears in the myths from all over the world and have been the subject of many paintings. A constellation has been named after this. This is called Pegasus. 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 This is called magical horse. Most striking feature is the single spirally grooved horn on its forehead, which symbolizes good luck. In stories, he fears yet good, selfless but solitary, but always mysteriously beautiful. Name is that unicorn. Unicorn. Its beauty is legendary. A fish maiden with long flowing hair and incredible power. According to legends, it sings to people and gods to enchant and distract them and lure humans down to the underwater kingdom. Is called mermaid. MERMAID. This is a flying reptile. Be aware, it can breathe fire or shoot deadly poison through its nostrils, but not always evil. In China, it's regarded as a symbol of courage and heroism, as the protector of the community. is called dragon. Number 5. D-R-A-G-O-N. This picture belongs to half human and half horse. Wild and untamed and represent the dark, unruly forces of nature. Is called centaur. C-E-N-T-A-U-R. In this picture, the human every full night is turned into a howling wolf with superhuman strength and senses. Is called werewolf. W-A-R-E-W-O-L-F. Dear student, today we completed our unit 4. Please note down all work in your book. Thank you.